Hey, Alexus Love Beauties and Flawless Men. So we are in the restroom with Maintenance Love. So I just wanted to share with you all the two things that is the dirtiest in the bathtub. It's not the walls of the bathtub. It's not the bottom part of the bathtub. It is literally the ceiling and this right here. Your shower curtain. These are the most dirtiest things in the shower, in the bathroom. If you look, well, not in the bathroom, in the tub area, if you can reach it, try to reach it. And you know, when I clean out the tub, I wash the walls because I can reach mine. I have Comet because they were out of Ajax, but that's what that is down there. You know, Comet or Ajax is really good to remove any type of stains. So you know how we'll be taking the rose baths. Well, the roses and turmeric, those stain the tub. You put you some Ajax or some Comet in the bottom of that tub and let it sit for a few days or maybe a day. Honey, the tub go be white as new. I still haven't found anything to kill like the little mold and stuff that comes from the bathroom being moist. I found this at the dollar store and it didn't really clean the mold that good. So, and I think that stuff just happened from like moist environments, but the way that I'm still killing that is just by using bleach. Like that right there, that's not the mold. That's just like, yeah, that's just like the paint that peel, because I done tried to get that off so many times, but it's just the paint that peel. So that's how you'll get rid of that. Be sure to check out the video on how to remove, look at my fingers, hey, Sarda, hey. Be sure to watch the video about how to remove spots from the tub. I'll leave that below in the comments or in the description section. But I want to show you real quick how to clean this because it's not that hard. Yeah, you're going to have to get in the tub. We're going to turn a little water on. So right now on this towel, I just got some soap on here and I wet it just a little bit. And like I said, that's if you can reach it. You're just going to like wash the wall. It looks like some dirt right there. Like it'd be dirty up there. So I just go through and I literally just wash the wall. If you know what that is, you know what that is. That's that Sif bath. Ladies, be sure to check out that video, how to stay clean down there. But yeah, so I literally just I'll wash the walls. Don't forget to wipe and wash the shower head. But if you can reach it, just the ceiling, just literally like, just wash it. I can't do too much because I'm trying to record and do that, but that's pretty much it to it. Just the walls around. Take a look up there. It'll amaze you because I was like, oh my God, like dirt and stuff be going everywhere. This is like the most dirtiest places in the tub area. Now with these, you can get these for $1 anywhere. These are the shower liners, and these are the ones that you want to keep on the inside to keep the water from coming out. Well, with these, the bottom parts get really, really nasty because we like to keep them for so long. With them being so inexpensive, I say to change these out once a month. I mean, if you clean them and you keep them up, you may be able to keep them 2 months, but it's so cheap to where you should be able to, you know, get a new one every month or every 2 months. I keep mine up, so I probably can get away with like 2 months or a half a month. But if you want to hold on to them longer, because it don't matter how much stuff costs, you still want to take care of everything and treat it with love. So the way I do that and hold on to this is I clean it. So I don't do it every time I get out the tub, but like probably once every 2 weeks or once or twice a week or something, I am cleaning these. So I just take the soap as well and I literally just wash it. Like I be gentle with it and I just wash it. Then, you know, like I said, excuse this, you know, this Ajax water. It's not really too much personal dirt in there, but you know, just clean around here. This is where it be at. Sometimes another way to reserve this, if it gets bad down here, maybe I can't make it to the store. Maybe I don't feel like it. I will cut like 1 inch off and then use a little bit longer. So those are some things you can do. You can cut an inch off, use a little bit longer, or you could just buy a new one. But make sure you clean the bottoms, and this is how you actually like rinse that off. So when you're done cleaning your whole tub and walls in general, with the walls you will have to take some more water over there and wash that off. But with the tub, you can just, you know, wipe that down while the water is running to rinse it out. But with this is how you're gonna wash that off. You'll turn the shower on, and you'll keep the shower head in the shower, but you'll push this like back, and you just rinse it off. So I start on the back end, or this the front end towards the shower. If you need to, you can like move the head over a little bit. Just try not to get it, you know, on the floor. For the front, you probably want to move that back, and then just like basically you're just twisting it. So I grab it from the back and then just let it rest. When it's done, it's done. I mean, it's already hanging, so it's gonna air dry. Again, for your tub, if the water don't reach it, you'll just rinse your towel out. You're gonna step in now, and then you'll just wipe your water down. Just wipe the water down. For like the body of it, for the body of my walls, I just like to just drip a whole bunch of water and rinse it off like that. But that is pretty much it. I'm actually going to finish cleaning the tub, and since we're here, I'll give you just a couple more tips because I am in the process of cleaning. Like when you clean the tub, that means the outside of the tub too, honey. That means all of this, whatever you're using to spray with, clean with, you want to get the areas around the baseboard, all that needs to be cleaned up. All of the wall, even this, even the rail. With the rail, I do that last, make sure the towel is clean, and I just literally like hit the rail like